रॉन्ग लिखा ना तो घर चल फिर।
दोनों आंसर्स करेक्ट।
हाँ ठीक है, दे गुलाब जामुन मेल। सारे लोग क्या बोलेंगे,
Tough
अभी शादी हुई है यार। ए बोगा आता घेऊन जाणार मी तुला,
नहीं
मी
किया
एकटीच जाणार।
अरे एक सेकंड नहीं
The only thing I struggle with is that he doesn't wake up on time. कि शायद जायचे उठ like that I have to wake him up.
Worst
आग
case
लग गई
scenario.
घर को तो क्या करेंगे?
Worst
I
case
am
scenario,
that,
yeah.
you know, because
मेरे को तो बचपन में लग रहा है चिकन खाते तो चिकन पॉक्स। I'm
parent
gonna be that
दैट बुआ
That
चाची
uncle,
है
बुआ चाची।
बुआ चाची के
हाँ।
बच्चे का अभी शादी हो गई अभी बच्चे का
True.
You were gonna say that.
That
I
is
saw it in
true.
your eyes. I
सही है
saw it.
आई एम द रियल विनर
I'm with a boy. अरे ये भी आ गए, इनका भी कट गया। Are we all mic'd up?
Ready to roll?
यस
Yes, let's start.
Yes, let's go. Welcome to fourth episode of Mic'd Up with Adu and May. So my name is Adya, aka Adu,
And my name is Mayur and I'm also known as May.
and today we have another special episode with another set of special guests.
Our last video comments में spam हुआ literally. दो जन को बुलाने के लिए. Please call them and we have them for you.
Introducing Sahil and Mansi. Mansi is also a YouTuber. She's a content creator. She has two channels. One is Mansi Mao and one is More Mao, where she puts lots of fun vlogs. And on Mansi, she has a lot of beauty and very, very nice content that you can go see, check her out.
I think you have been creating content for
8 years.
8 years.
In this June, it will be 8 years. Yeah.
8 years of content creation. We have
2017.
like a teacher with us.
No, yeah, come on. So no, that's why na, she knew everything. So when we are setting up the camera and everything, also she knew what lens, what's the distance, everything, because she's been doing this for 8 years now. And this is Sahil Rathod, who is her now husband.
Yes.
They just recently got married in December, so they are like these kavla new married.
व्हॉट इज कावला म्हणजे
New. It's a
Marathi
like
word.
fresh, taza. कवला मैरिड कपल. सो जिनको 3 महीना हुआ है, हमें 3 साल हो गए हैं. तो यू नो ऐसे हमें नए कपल्स को देख के बहुत
Teacher.
ऐसा टीचर्स
Teacher
गुरुज
है.
हमें न्यू कपल्स को देख के बहुत ऐसा एक्साइटमेंट होती है कि अरे ये भी आ गए. इनका भी कट गया. We know each other for about 5-6 years now. Yeah,
Yes,
more than 5 years.
yeah.
More than
More than
5
I think,
years. And Mansi is also a fellow Maharashtrian, fellow Aquarian. So
मैंने अभी just realized that we have similarity. Both of our wives are Maharashtrian and we are
Yes.
non-Maharashtrian.
Yeah.
So we have lots of things.
another intercaste couple.
Another intercaste
Yeah.
couple, especially Maharashtrian, non-Maharashtrian. तो काफी similarities मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अपने conversation में
And in general also what I've noticed is Mansi is also Maharashtrian and Aquarian. तो Yeah. उसकी और मेरी ना काफी
Oh,
traits
yeah.
match होती है.
When
Almost
is
all.
your birthday? What is
Almost
your
माइन
yeah.
इज मार्च आई एम अ पाइसिस
अच्छा okay.
या
तो एकदम अगर वो भी वर्गो होता तो एकदम
Mind blown.
ब्रेन ऐसे एकदम ये हो जाता.
So I'm sure you guys know Sahil very well पहले से. You must have seen a lot of times on Mansi's channel. He has his own wedding
Planning company,
wedding
yeah.
planning business.
And Sahil was the
Yeah.
one who planned our wedding also that
Yeah.
time. So Shubh Titi is his company and they do a fab job in planning weddings. And probably his first were us, मतलब एकदम starting का ही था.
एकदम फर्स्ट ईयर में था, फर्स्ट या तो सेकंड ईयर में.
हाँ, तो एकदम
बिफोर कोविड था ना अपना.
Before, मतलब नहीं before COVID नहीं,
Second
during
wave of
COVID,
COVID, हाँ.
2021.
Second wave of
हाँ,
COVID. Initial years and the first
Initial
second
years,
years. Yeah.
So he has planned our wedding also.
Yeah.
So we know them, like it traces back to that
Yes.
time. फिर Evie के birthday पे हम गए थे. So we know Evie since like she was so
Yeah.
little. And if you have not noticed,
She's
this is
little.
Evie. This is a little baby. And yeah, she's also joining us.
We are dog moms.
Today. Yeah,
That
we're
is
dog
also-
moms also. Yes, that's right. So yeah, we have a lot of similarities that way. What I wanted to start with, of course, is like the main question because you
Interesting question.
You just got married.
Oh, what a
And-
new question! Everybody's asking us my how's married life.
No, I'm not going to ask you that. I'm asking. So Mansi has been living, like, you know, she has her own studio
Yeah.
and she has 2 sisters, okay?
Yeah.
So she's never really lived with a boy. For
Yeah.
me, I lived with Adi, so I know, although Adi is a very nice boy, but I've lived with a boy. But she's not lived with a boy.
Yeah.
So how is it living with a boy?
I'm also a
Please
nice
insert
boy.
the friend
I'm also a nice boy.
reference. I'm living with a boy. Honestly, it's not that bad because
Yeah.
Sahil is a pretty organized guy.
Correct.
The only thing I struggle with is that he doesn't wake up on time. Like, Sahil utna. I feel like a
आदत
mother.
है
He शेवी को उठाते हैं वैसे. It's like, you know, I have to like a small child. He शायद जायचे उठ. Like that I have to wake him up
बट
almost
अभी मैं
every
उठता
day.
हूँ कभी-कभी
कभी-कभी.
Around
Yeah.
there. After the episode that we had in March, we'll talk about it later. But yeah, so like that is the only thing. But otherwise, he's pretty organized, and so we have our duties done. Like I cook
Yeah.
at times, he'll clean. Kitchen duty is his laundry duty is his. Then
Nice.
other stuff I manage, like groceries and everything. I keep the check. So like we are pretty sorted like that. So yeah, I mean it's not that bad, but you know how it is.
थोड़ा सा तो हो ही जाता
Yeah.
है एंड वैसे जब वेरी न्यू ना तो थोड़े थोड़े टाइम में हम ट्रेन नॉट द
Yeah.
राइट वर्ड बट प्रोबेबली द अप्रोप्रिएट
right
वर्ड
word.
हियर कि ऐसा करना है फ्लश का सीट नीचे रखना है
Yeah, I'm sure there's another perspective to that. I'd like to ask Sahil, कि तुझे कैसा लग
I
रहा है?
used to live with a girl
So you have a sibling, right?
I have a sister,
Sister.
तो थोड़ा
small
बहुत
sister, yeah.
थोड़ा बहुत idea है.
Yeah. So when I used to live with her, like when I used to live with my family, तभी भी also we had our duties separate and all of that. But हम लोग बहुत लड़ते थे. So that habit I've gotten here also कि मैं मेरी sister के साथ हमेशा toss करता था कि अभी मॉम ने काम दिया तो टॉस
कौन
करेंगे.
करेगा?
तो अभी हम दोनों भी कभी-कभी बेड में कि
ईवी ने
कौन
सुसु
उठेगा
किया है.
पहले.
कौन
हाँ,
साफ
और ईवी ने सुसु किया है तो चलो ऑडिव कर लेते हैं यार, रॉक पेपर सीजर्स कर लेते हैं एंड देन जो हारा वो जाके क्लीन करेगा. So that's fun, but apart
You
from
should
that,
also do this system.
yeah, it is very fun. But apart from those other duties, तो हमारे एकदम bifurcated है.
Yeah, we are pretty
And
sorted like
yeah,
that.
we're very sorted. She was always living alone,
Right.
काफी time से. So she knows the in and outs of managing
run
the
that
entire
house.
house. I know household work, but managing an entire house is what she already knew since the past 3 years.
Right.
So that is why I've gotten insights from my wife, and it's going good.
Nice. So then तुम अभी मतलब ग्रोसरी एंड सारा चीज
हाँ,
एक्सपेंसेस
yes.
भी सब कुछ बिकॉज नाउ वी लिव इन अ जॉइंट फैमिली सो
Yeah.
हमारा शादी के बाद भी हमारा मतलब है मम्मा पापा
Correct,
देख रहे हैं
correct.
काफी चीजें
Right.
हम ऑब्वियसली देख रहे हैं बट इट बिकम्स अ डिफरेंट डील कि ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग और ये सब अभी तो हम सारा इंस्टामार्ट और ये सब भी करते हैं बट
Right.
स्टिल मम्मा लुक्स आफ्टर मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आई जस्ट
Correct.
मैसेज सेइंग माँ ये खत्म हो गया है
Correct.
तो
Yeah.
लिस्ट में ऐड कर दो टाइप्स बट फॉर योर देन इट मस्ट बी
So everything from the
Yeah.
scratch.
I think
Yeah,
it was
हाँ.
pretty hard. Like I will like be very honest, is because we got married in December,
Right.
and Sahil's wedding season began. Like it's
Oh, yeah.
we peak like wedding season we got married,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
So Jan Feb, it was like chaos because he was barely there at home. So it was loneliness. It
Yeah.
was like my sister was here from the US, but then she left. My best friends were here, they
They
left.
left, yeah.
So like it was like lonely fest, and he was traveling all the time.
Yeah.
Jan though he was not even there for my birthday.
Jan, Feb, both. Yeah, I was not there
Peak
for a
wedding
birthday.
season.
Peak
Peak
wedding
wedding
season. But
season.
he came and he made up, I
We
saw.
had
Yeah.
to. No, the thing is, we had to like we were looking forward to getting married maybe in February towards the season end because that would have been better as per the timelines.
Right.
But because of some reasons, we got married in December.
Yeah.
And then post that again 2 months I was out, and the day like you won't believe after the last wedding immediately we left for Mussoorie just for a very short trip because
Yeah,
then we
Feb
had to
के
come
end में
back.
because I was like चल अभी खत्म हो गया है.
Yeah.
So wedding season
अभी
now
मैंने
let's at
surprise
least
plan किया
restart.
था.
2 महीना हमने बहुत pause मतलब that honeymoon phase or the
Yeah,
new
that is
married
something that we
life.
didn't get yet. We haven't
Still not
हाँ,
getting it
yeah.
because 2 महीने वहाँ पे चले गए and then he planned a surprise.
Surprise
Literally
visit.
उसका 21 को खत्म हुआ and 22 को भी left for Mussoorie. Literally like that. He planned that whole trip. He was like चल international नहीं but at least ये
वही तो
करके
घूम
आ
जाके
गया.
आते हैं,
So
yeah,
let's
yeah.
just get out
So
of this
we-
house.
yeah,
Absolutely.
that's
Because that
true.
house was becoming too much for me. Being alone
Absolutely.
over there, just trapped, feeling trapped, you know. And then
yeah, so we went for that 2-3 day trip because then we had to come back. I wanted to do a longer trip.
Yeah.
But because it was Shaivi's, who's her niece, so I was not there for her birthday also.
Yeah.
Her birthday, thoda
22nd
timeline you
Feb.
missed. हाँ, तो
Yeah.
22nd को मैं wedding में था. And then I came back around 24th and
Yeah, I
we
missed
left
it,
immediately
हाँ.
on 25th. So 22nd को I was not there for her birthday and she loves our friends, the college group that we have.
she doesn't
Shaivi
want her
loves.
age ke friends. She wants us, all of us.
Shaivi is basically her 8-year-old niece. So
and
she
who's
loves,
also a
yeah.
baby to them, just
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
how Aryash is to us.
Yeah.
So
Correct, that way. So she loves them and she wanted to call our friends for her birthday.
Right.
So that is why we told them कि जब मैं आऊँगा in town तभी हम वो पार्टी रखेंगे. तो instead of 22nd they kept on 1st March. 1st March और या तो उसके पहले.
1st March.
So then 25th to 28th
Yeah, we
February था
went
ना, हाँ,
3
तो
days, 4
28th,
days
yeah.
we left
We
for
just went for
Mussoorie.
3 days and then 1st March को this happened. And to be honest, 2nd March से we were supposed to you can say resume, you can say restart or start our married life because starting के 2 महीने तो पूरे ही गए. The 2nd March को we were supposed to start, but then तभी ही infection हुआ आई में. तभी दिखा, मतलब पहले से दिख गया था, but then तभी दुखने लगा. And on 3rd March, it was diagnosed that it's herpes zoster in the eye, right? So and then that took the entire month away. So the moment we were supposed to start, we did just 1 day घर का काम कि ये समेटा.
And that too one of the
shopping
rarest
करेंगे.
diseases.
Yeah.
You know, so like
because
we were
very-
hit with it.
When I got to know, I had no idea क्या
कि
है.
what is this? We also never knew कि
So
क्या है
then
exactly.
we googled and we saw and then we
Yeah.
saw मुझे पता चला क्या लेवल का है वो. मतलब
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
like कि अच्छा मतलब मुझे ऐसा आदू ने या आदित्य ने मुझे बताया कि साहिल थोड़ा बीमार है, तो लाइक उसको ये हुआ, तो लाइक कुछ होता रहता है, हुआ नहीं.
Correct, correct.
Then when I googled and saw like इतना extreme
Yeah.
level.
It was like that because my doctor told me that it happens to only
1%
1%
of the
of the
population.
entire population.
Yeah.
We were shocked.
हमें
Yeah, and
But
that
what
to
was
us.
the cause? मतलब
So,
Yeah.
so basically, it is called as herpes zoster, ocular herpes zoster, something of that sorts.
Ophthalmic
And
something.
पुराने ज़माने में, if the viewers know, पुराने ज़माने में अपने moms and dads को पता होगा नागिन बोलते
नागिन
हैं
बोलते हैं
उसको. But वो नागिन होता है usually body में
Correct.
यहाँ पे
It's in
होता
your
है and all of
tissue,
that.
not
On the
affecting
skin
the
maybe.
organ.
Right.
But what I got was an infection here and then here. If you guys can see यहाँ पे एक mark है अभी भी. वो थोड़ा gradually जाएगा, that the dermatologist said. But वो यहाँ से चालू हुआ and then because it was near the eye, it also hampers our brain nerves. So that is why it was more
So
dangerous.
he was getting
हाँ.
a lot of that sensation in his brain. He was
Yeah,
screaming
nerves
with
in
that
the
pain.
brain. Yeah.
When he got diagnosed, the doctor immediately sent us for blood test. The
Yeah.
moment we reached the center, he started puking there. So I haven't seen like a
This
6
side,
feet
yeah.
2-inch
Yeah.
guy puking. He's like
Miserable
physically
like that.
miserable,
Yeah.
you know. And it was like we had written notes to each other ki we'll start on second this, we'll do this, and then on that
Suddenly
day the
it's-
life
that
just
day
turned
itself,
upside
yeah.
down. It was completely unexpected, and that too something like this. And the doctor told us this is like the one of the worst pains a man can experience. You have to be prepared. We are already
हाँ,
telling
मतलब
you
दोनों
that it's
doctors
gonna
ने डरा
get
दिया
both the
मुझे.
doctors, dermat
Yeah.
and the eye specialist.
Yeah.
Both of us told us that it's going to be
One of the
a
most
bad
painful.
phase.
Like,
Yeah.
you have to be
Be prepared. We
for
are
the
not.
ride.
Yeah,
But
we are
then
not
they also
sugarcoating
told
it.
me कि 7 days you will feel the pain.
Yeah.
Post that it will improve. So
Okay.
it was like I also got the power because they had warned me and they had prepared me कि
Yeah.
pain होगा. Because नहीं तो क्या है डॉक्टर कभी कभी शुगर कोट कर लेते कि अरे
हाँ,
हो
नहीं
जाएगा and
होगा
then
ये।
pain होगा then
Then you're not
we
mentally
are like
prepared
यार
for
what is happening. पहले से अगर उसने डरा दिया तो it's better for me कि डर जाओ then सहमे रहो and then we can definitely do. But coming to your question, the reason like when I also researched, we also never knew कि what exactly is this. The reason is when your immunity goes that down. So basically everyone of has that virus. Sorry, जिनको जिनको chickenpox हुआ है, everyone of the people who have gotten chickenpox have that virus. तो
It's
जब
dormant in
आपकी-
your body.
हाँ, it's dormant in your body.
Yeah.
तो जब immunity low जाती है, the virus strikes. That is the
So because
explanation
Jan
for this.
Feb, he was just hopping in and out of
Correct.
flights.
And
शादियों
not
में
eating
खाना.
and
It's
all of that.
ironic.
हाँ,
The
yeah.
शादियों का
Body
खाना,
was
but he
Yes,
was not
body
eating.
exhaustion.
So
That
he was
is
not
what is
eating,
happening.
not
हाँ.
sleeping. So the body completely
And
gave up.
तो
कभी
immunity
कभी
went
I
weak
was so it's not that hectic to be honest, but I made it hectic for myself because I used to avoid meals. So and जानबूझ के वो avoid करता था. I never should have because it's easy. I've done this for 6 years. तो हुआ है. We've gotten heavy seasons. We've gotten heavier seasons also than the past one. But it was maybe a life changing thing. शादी हुई तो शादी का अलग एक
अलग
stress होता है.
Correct.
Plus उसके बाद again entirely going into the season, full throttle में तो again that happened. Plus the food thing, no
And he had
sleep.
to overcome. He's like,
Yeah.
oh shit, दिसंबर में मेरी शादी थी, मैंने काम नहीं किया. Jan में मैं पूरा जान लगा के काम करूँगा.
हाँ, so that is what happened and then the immunity went down and then फिर virus आ गया and then the rest of the thing is history.
History.
तेरे को हुआ है चिकन पॉक्स?
नहीं.
मेरे को भी नहीं हुआ. तेरे को हुआ है चिकन पॉक्स?
Yeah, everyone has gotten chicken
नहीं,
pox.
हम
You
दोनों
have
को
it?
नहीं हुआ.
मुझे कभी नहीं हुआ
So
चिकन
in fact हमारे घर पे
Then you guys
आदि
are
को-
prone to it. Huh? Not scaring you.
जो भी होगा अभी एक साथ ही होगा.
There
मैंने
are
ये वाला नहीं
vaccines
हुआ,
you can
chicken
take
pox
it.
तो
So I think लिया था and हमारे घर पे तभी आदि को हुआ था and still मुझे नहीं हुआ.
हाँ,
So
होता है
it-
usually,
yeah,
kids
usually
में
siblings
transfer
जब
हो जाता
and
है,
आदि was very young, I think third standard or something, third fourth standard.
Yeah, young में ही होता है chicken pox.
तो आई
generally.
बाबा को था कि अभी इसको भी हो जाएगा बट लकीली नहीं हुआ तभी and
मेरे को तो
उसके बाद-
बचपन में लगता था चिकन खाते तो चिकन पॉक्स.
ये वेजिटेरियन लोगों का क्या करे भाई.
या शायद कभी मैंने मम्मी को बोला होगा कि मुझे चिकन खाना है तो मम्मी ने मेरे को डराने के लिए चिकन
Chicken pox हो
जाएगा.
जाएगा.
बट नाउ फाइनली इट्स लाइक जे मराठी बोलते की जितना बुरा होना था वैसे जेवढं वाईट होणार
Hopefully,
होतं ते
yes.
झालंय.
हाँ.
Now it's all like
I was
nice.
like, in fact, yesterday only we were having this conversation that we've been gone through a rocky road just at the start. So it should be smoother from now on.
But
We've gotten-
again,
हाँ.
what doesn't break you makes you
Yeah,
stronger.
that's strong, that's
you know?
true.
So
Yeah.
वो तो है कि और and plus you guys have been together for so long
Yeah.
and then वो अभी इसके साथ भी तुम कितना एक साथ रह के पार कर दिया. So
Yeah.
you know it's like
Yeah.
better
Finding
together,
the-
you know, like
Yeah.
the silver lining to this.
Trying to.
Nobody should face this, but अभी अगर
Yeah.
आ गया है हो गया है तो we fight
And
it
that's the best.
together.
मतलब हाँ वही the best thing is fighting anything together. तो वो हो जाता है एक स्पेशली शादी के बाद और ज्यादा अच्छे से होता है. what I feel कि पार्टनर साथ में ही रहता है तो you
Yeah.
always एटलीस्ट इमोशनली या किससे बस बात भी करना हो अभी पेन तो हो रहा है पार्टनर पेन तो रिड्यूस नहीं कर सकता बट एटलीस्ट
Correct.
इमोशनली कोई
Yeah.
सपोर्ट है तो पेन रिड्यूस
एंड इनफैक्ट मतलब शादी के बाद हुआ तो तुम दोनों साथ में
Yeah,
थे उसके
that
लिए
is
यू नो
true.
Yeah.
अगर नई शादी के मतलब शादी के पहले तो एक अलग अलग घर में है अलग
Got
है
it.
तो
So we faced the literal meaning of the wedding vows. जो in sickness and in health बोलते हैं.
Absolutely.
So in sickness obviously she was
Yeah.
there with me. So we'll be there for each other for sure.
तो इन रिलेशन टू फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मुझे वो करना था कि मुझे शादी के बाद क्या चेंज हुआ है करके तो नाउ यू गाइस हैव स्टार्टेड लिविंग टुगेदर सो फॉर यू साहिल एक प्रोमिनेंट चीज तो मेजर चीज जो चेंज हुई है लाइक इन हैबिट्स और जैसे मैं अपना बताता हूँ तो मेरा हमारा शादी हुआ था
क्या बोल
Good
रहा है?
change. He's saying.
क्या
He's saying
बोल
good
रहा
change.
है?
गुड आई डोंट नो तो मतलब इट्स आई डोंट नो गुड और बैड बट
Yeah.
मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा चेंज था बहुत सिंपल चीज है बट समथिंग लाइक
पहले प्रस्तावना कम कर
bed covers. So I was
Bed
not
covers,
yeah,
bed
I,
care.
so I was not known to this term known as bed cover. So there's अपना मैट्रेस नॉर्मल अपना बेड उसका मैट्रेस
फिर bedsheet.
उस पे बेडशीट
Bedsheet, correct.
उसके ऊपर दिन के लिए ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम सो दैट द बेडशीट डज नॉट गेट डर्टी एंड गेट क्लीन शीट्स टू स्लीप देयर इज अ बेड कवर तो मैं कभी बेड कवर नहीं रहता था हम लोग कैसे मैं आता था सामान
पहले
पड़ा
से
बेड पे
हाँ.
उठाया चेयर पे डाला सो गया
सो
बेड
गया.
पे थोड़ा साफ ऐसे झाड़ा
Yeah, yeah.
एंड सो गया बट आज लाइक ऐसा नहीं होता है यू नीड टू हैव अ बेड कवर सो जब सुबह उठते हैं अभी तो उठ के हम पहले बेड कवर डालते हैं सो
Yeah,
दैट
yeah.
ड्यूरिंग द डे द बेडशीट रिमेन्स क्लीन
Yeah.
एंड आई एम कमिंग टू द गुड पॉइंट आल्सो
दिस इज गुड पॉइंट ओनली हेलो
एंड
I agree with her. It's a good point.
रात को निकालते हैं तो बेड कवर
Yeah,
बेडशीट
निकाल
क्लीन
देते हैं.
तो दैट फीलिंग जब रात को मैं सोने जाता हूँ तो मुझे क्लीन बेडशीट मिलता है तो मुझे अभी अच्छा लगने
Yeah.
लगा बस स्टार्टिंग में लगता था क्या त्रास है ये बेड कवर डालो बेड कवर निकालो उसमें बीच में कुछ और हमारा तो शूट्स भी होता है ना रूम
Yeah.
में तो प्रेफरेंस वाइट बेडशीट होता है तो वाइट बेडशीट है पर उसके बाद बेड कवर है
डालो.
तो शूट के लिए बेड कवर निकालो फिर शूट के बाद बेड कवर वापस
वापस
डालो
डालो
तो ऐसा ये प्रोमिनेंट चेंज मैं
Change
अपना
आया.
एग्जांपल दे रहा था
बट ऑल्सो कि थोड़ा मुझे ना डस्ट का है एलर्जी लाइक
Yeah.
आई विल स्टार्ट स्नीजिंग एंड ऑल्सो ही यूज्ड टू स्नीज अ लॉट व्हेन वी गॉट मैरिड ओके एवरी मॉर्निंग ही विल हैव लाइक 10-15 स्नीज इन द मॉर्निंग
Constant,
ओनली
हाँ.
तो कितना स्नीज करता
Yeah,
था
yeah,
स्टार्टिंग
yeah,
में
yeah.
So अभी
Yes,
वो
yes.
सुधरा है वो yeah.
हाँ, मैं agree
That
कर-
condition has gotten better.
हाँ
So
तो अभी
अभी I
नहीं
don't
कर
sneeze at all.
नहीं करता
हमारे में रिवर्स होगा मेरे घर पे व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू स्टे तभी हम लोग चद्दर ही चेंज करते थे द बेडशीट
Yeah, सुबह की अलग,
मॉर्निंग
रात
इज
की
डिफरेंट
अलग.
रात की इज
हाँ
डिफरेंट
वही मतलब
सो दैट इज व्हाट वी
वो तो मैं
आल्सो
बस
यूज्ड
थोड़ा
टू
आलस
सो
में
दैट इज
मैंने
व्हाई
इसको ये कर दिया कि मुझे डालना ना
हाँ,
पड़े इसलिए
एक
मैं
ऊपर
हटाना
चढ़ा
ही
दो.
इजी
So ऐसा कोई prominent change you have noticed? Maybe एक you know एक बचपन का हैबिट जैसे ये बचपन का हैबिट था आदि का बेटा
Yeah.
ऐसा मानसे हो ये बचपन का हैबिट था जो now has been introduced to your life after marriage.
I have learned, I'm starting to learn about the house and the kitchen कि how to stock up groceries. अभी we are actually learning phase में रात को हमें याद आता है shit अभी कल सुबह बनाने को तो
छोले
कुछ
भिगाए
है ही
नहीं,
नहीं
कल के लिए।
भिगाए नहीं and all of that.
अभी कौन उठेगा? और-
pre-planning the next thing. I used to have dry
Stone,
fruit
paper,
soaked because my parents used to do it, but now we have to do it
Do
by
it
ourselves.
ourselves.
So that is what the learning phase is. What I feel is the prominent change. But in terms of in her habit, there's no change that I think I've had. We both are as clean as each other,
Yeah.
and we keep our wardrobes clean. Towels are also at the proper place. So
हाँ वो गीला
that
towel
is there.
scene is not there
Yeah.
in fact he's on
मुझे तो
I
स्टैंड
think you
शेट
need
आ
to
गया
get a rack just
Yeah.
for the towels because
Yeah.
उसके घर पे वो है मी तरह से कुठला तरी wardrobe ला लावून ठेवते और like I will put it on the chair
Chair, खुर्ची.
मतलब
Yeah.
ऐसे
Proper
हाँ,
फैला
proper
के.
फैला
Yeah.
के सुखाने के लिए he's like I think we need to get a rod done मतलब नवीन घर आता not your
And one prominent change, but I would say the best change is this
Oh
small
yeah.
angel in
Now
our life.
she's
So
24
that's
hours with you.
yeah.
yeah
She's with
and
us
now
entirely. and she comes to me in
Sides
the
have
morning.
changed.
Yeah.
And how? मतलब अभी तू कौन?
वो
You
क्या ना
gave me
तेरे साथ
food
इतने
for
time.
हाँ, now he is my man.
फूड के लिए ही ये जाती है उसके पास. Then in the morning, whenever if we both are waking up at the same time, पहले मेरे पास ही आएगी.
मतलब पूरा time she's with
Yeah.
him. Like she will wake him up. Oh my God, you woke up. You're my love.
But
उसके
that
बाद तेरे
happens
साथ ही
because
रहती
now
है.
Tipu
Yeah.
also loves me more.
That's what I.
1 second.
That's what I make her think.
No, that's what he makes me think. Okay. वो मेरे बगैर नहीं रह पाएगा. तू नहीं रहेगा तो उसको चलता है. बट पूरा दिन मैं अभी बिकॉज अभी मैं घर पे होती हूँ जॉब
Yeah.
के बाद. जहाँ मैं किचन में गई किचन में मेरे साथ एंड टीपू इज नॉट लाइक ईवी स्मॉल राइट
Yeah,
कि
correct.
वो
पूरा,
stairs-
yeah,
हाँ,
keep
वो
on
स्टेयर्स
coming
उतरे
here and
में
there.
हमारी रूम ऊपर है तो नीचे आएगा मेरे साथ किचन में जाएगा मैं जितनी बार ऊपर नीचे कर रही हूँ उतनी बार उसको बेचारे को दुखता है फिर भी वो ऊपर नीचे करता है मैं
Yeah.
तेरे साथ नहीं करता वो ये
Let her believe that. I will not argue on this because there's no point arguing. But ठीक है, okay.
Yeah.
But Tipu loves me. Okay.
But इसमें in this case she is with her only. अभी भी if you see we were in
Yeah.
the studio, she is always with her.
Yeah.
So morning time I think मेरा time
Now
है.
that something is changed ना for you. Like सुबह
Yeah.
से आके
आते
पूरा
yeah.
smother करेगी.
But सोने के टाइम पे she is very sly I feel. She keeps us both happy. सोने के टाइम पे मुंह इसके तरफ ढूंढन मेरी तरफ. So that is what she does usually. So she is very smart.
मैं क्या बोलता था मैं इसको ढूंढन बोल
गुंडन.
कुंडन
कुंडन
she introduced मतलब ढूंगन मतलब नहीं पता था. ढूंगन in
is your
Mara-
backside.
is your
Bum.
पिछवाड़ा basically.
Yeah,
हाँ,
it's
bum,
backside.
bum.
Bum,
like-
Bum bum.
Yeah.
तो आदमी ने कहीं तो यूज किया था. I found it very funny. क्या बोली गुंडन गुंडन and क्या है वर्ड क्या मैं वापस
ढूंढन
ढूंढन.
So-
लक्षातच नहीं रहा
तो वो वर्ड for some reason मेरे दिमाग में गुंडन जैसे है. तो
Yeah.
हमेशा ये लोग राइट वर्ड यूज करते हैं. मैं गुंडन
But
गुंडन.
your videos of the Marathi wala
Yeah, I was
thing,
just gonna say.
Oh my God.
It's very
Even my
relatable.
Jiju is a fan.
Yeah.
Okay, like that day we were discussing. They're like, "हा काय गोड माणूस है." Like he is.
सगळं बोलतोय.
Yeah,
He's
it's just
trying
that
everything.
picture, like my favorite series has to be that. And now that one that you're hitting him, he does something, and then
Menace
the
husband.
menace. Yeah, like such a cute and relatable. मतलब इसके साथ I don't experience that the Marathi thing because his family is very fluent. Like his
Yeah.
dad speaks Shahanno, Satyanno, like all of these words he'll say as if
Yeah.
you won't feel because he used to do Marathi theatre में he was,
हाँ,
right?
he used to do Marathi theatre. He used to live
Yeah.
around. Even me, when I was in babysitting, because both my parents were working, so I had a Marathi babysitter. The other kids were also Maharashtrian. So then I know Marathi.
Yeah, very
basically.
well.
technically he should have also
Spashta.
known but he disliked Marathi as a subject and he
मैं
has
मराठी में फेल हुआ हूँ पता है.
skipped Marathi tuition
Sixth standard में.
मध्ये
Oh.
मराठी फेल झालाय तो
बाप रे.
I never liked Marathi as a language.
As a
ठीक है?
subject. Any
As a
language or
subject.
just Marathi?
नहीं,
हिंदी also नहीं?
नहीं शायद कोई so as a subject नहीं पसंद था मुझे because मुझे आते ही नहीं था ना.
हिंदी तो घर में
तो मैं
हिंदी बोलते हैं
घर पे ही
हिंदी
बोलते
और हिंदी में मैं प्रो था. मतलब हिंदी एज अ लैंग्वेज में मुझे को अच्छे मार्क्स आते थे. आई हैड गुड होल्ड. तो मुझे ऐसा कुछ मराठी आता था मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आता था. फॉर लाइक जब लिखना होता था और जब बोलना होता था स्कूल में और सब. तो मेरे घर वाले बहुत परेशान है बिकॉज महाराष्ट्र में
Yeah, you
मराठी
have
इज अ
to know.
सब्जेक्ट.
Yeah.
Little bit at least basic.
या तो लाइक तेरे को सीखना पड़ेगा. तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है. अभी स्कूल में भी होता था सेकंड लैंग्वेज. तो मराठी ट्यूशंस लगाए. मैं 2 दिन जाता था फिर जाता ही नहीं था.
एक पूरा महीना गया ही नहीं और मम्मा को पता ही नहीं मम्मा बिजनेस बनाने में बिजी थे बेचारे
Yeah.
ये तो जाता था नीचे और क्रिकेट विकेट
मैं 2 दिन गया. मैं रिलीजियसली 2 दिन गया. 2 दिन में मेरे को समझ में आ गया कि मुझसे नहीं होने वाला है. तो मैं घर पे बोलूंगा तो मेरी वाट मेरे को डांट पड़ेगी घर पे कि क्यों ये वो. तो वो टाइम पे मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स लोगों को कन्विंस किया क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. तो वो कुछ 2 घंटे का ट्यूशन था. मैं ट्यूशन होता था मैं जाते नहीं था. मैं नीचे जाके क्रिकेट खेलता था और मैं घर पे आता था एंड माय घर वाले लाइक हाँ मराठी ट्यूशन जाके आया है शायद. तो 1 महीना ऐसे ही चला एंड मुझे ये रियलाइज हुआ उस वक्त कि एक पॉइंट पे वो ये आएगा मतलब फीस का बात आएगा. तो बात करेंगे मराठी टीचर मेरी मॉम बात करेंगी. तो मेरी मॉम ने कॉल किया मराठी टीचर को आपका फीस पेंडिंग है ना मैं घर पे भिजवा रही हूँ आपके. एंड मराठी टीचर लाइक कौन सा फीस. हाँ लाइक अरे मेरा बेटा आता है ना आपके. नहीं वो तो 2 दिन के बाद बंद किया. मुझे लगा आपको नहीं चाहिए होगा तो आपने बंद कर दिया. और लाइक नहीं वो तो रोज आ रहा है रोज जाता है इतने बजे. बोलते नहीं वो तो इधर नहीं आ रहा है. एंड देन दिस वाज ऑल व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल. फिर मैं स्कूल से वापस आया 2 बजे कुछ तो स्कूल से वापस आया. घर पे गया मम्मी वो लाइक अभी तेरा मराठी ट्यूशन है ना. बोला हाँ अभी 3 बजे ना मैं खाना खाने जा रहा हूँ. लाइक अच्छा ओके किधर जाएगा तू. बोला मराठी ट्यूशन. बोला कितने टाइम से जा रहा है. बोला जा तो रहा हूँ 1 महीने से. लाइक फुल एकदम. देन 2-3 क्वेश्चन और है. दैट टाइम आई रियलाइज कुछ तो fishy है. लाइक मम्मी मुझे आई तो आई देख के तो सच्ची जा रहा मराठी ट्यूशन. लाइक नहीं वो नीचे क्रिकेट खेलने. एंड फिर जो मुझे पढ़ा है आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे तो वो एक था. उसके बाद मराठी एज अ सब्जेक्ट, so I was good in school. मतलब मुझे आ जाते थे marks. I never struggled with पढ़ाई. Only in one subject I used to Marathi. And मैं लाइफ में फर्स्ट टाइम कोई सब्जेक्ट में फेल हुआ था बाय हाफ अ मार्क. तो उस वक्त वो कुछ तो 14 मार्क्स पासिंग होता था, मुझे 13.5 मिला था. एंड मैं ऐसा फेल हो गया, मतलब मैं फेल हो गया कोई सब्जेक्ट में फर्स्ट टाइम ये वो. एंड इट हैज फेलिंग इन अ सब्जेक्ट इज नेवर बिग डील. नाउ वी रियलाइज. और उस वक्त तो
No, it was first failure is always a big deal for good students. Yeah, that's
back
for
then
sure.
it was.
उस वक्त ऐसा था, कुछ भी होता था ना छोटा से छोटा, लाइक एट दैट एज ऐसा लगता था अभी तो लाइफ खत्म,
हाँ,
मतलब हो गया, अभी कुछ नहीं होगा, मेरा लाइफ खत्म. तो मैं उधर स्कूल में रो रहा हूँ लेजिट. आई एम फ्रॉम ऑल बॉयज स्कूल. तो उधर मैं रो रहा हूँ, टीचर से बेग कर रहा हूँ, ग्रेस मार्क दे दो, ग्रेस मार्क दे दो. तो बेसिकली बॉटम लाइन क्या है,
तभी
ऑलवेज
हेट करता था, बट फिर महाराष्ट्र से शादी कर लिया.
yeah. So that's the irony also. I always used to struggle in Marathi and then I
Yeah,
got
you
Marathi.
got
Marathi.
Marathi. You manifested.
Yeah.
Anti-manifested.
And then now we are making content in Marathi
Marathi.
because sir doesn't know Marathi and when he tries to speak it's really funny.
ऐसा मला येते मराठी, ये तो मराठी.
सर नहीं आता ना अब तक बट इनको.
च तर सोड,
च तर नाही
येतं, येती,
येतो.
येतो, मराठी क्या
येतो.
है यही उसको जेंडर नहीं पता.
ये तो is for me ना, I mean boys.
लड़का.
लड़का ना. तो
Yeah.
मला
और
ये तो
मराठी को नहीं, मराठी का ये होगा ना वर्ब.
तो ये अभी कंफ्यूजिंग है ना, ये मुझे कैसे आएगा?
जाओ दे. Okay, focusing,
Yeah.
coming back. So, also what I wanted to understand is कि कपल चैनल का आप लोगों का क्या थॉट है, यू नो, बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड के साहिल, आई हैव हर्ड यू से इन योर ब्लॉग्स कि साहिल इज आल्सो वर्किंग एंड दैट्स द सिमिलर केस विद अस आल्सो. मे हैज हिज फुल टाइम बिजनेस
Yeah.
एंड इसी वजह से हमारा काफी ये
ऊपर
होता
नीचे चलता
है,
है.
ऊपर नीचे
Schedules
चलता है,
होते हैं.
स्केड्यूल्स बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है एंड इसलिए कभी कभी अपलोड्स भी हैम्पर होते हैं ऑफ
Correct.
कोर्स. बट व्हाट अबाउट यू गाइस, व्हाट हैव यू थॉट?
Definitely, like when we made it public, when Sahil proposed, I think back in August, the first question, like the most asked question was this, that are you going to start a couple channel? Please do, we really want to see. And no doubt the couple channel and couple content does so well. We get so much love, and even I personally love watching couple content, no doubt, I won't lie. But it's also commitment, right?
Yeah.
So the thing is कि see May bhai has a fixed timing. I'm sure.
So मेरा कैसा है कि मेरा ऑफिस बहुत पास है घर के.
Yeah.
तो फ्लेक्सिबल हो जाता है. I can, you know, and खुद का ही बिजनेस है तो
Yeah.
कभी हाँ I know कि ये है, ये तो I
But do you
manage.
travel out of Mumbai quite often?
Not that much.
Not that much, right?
So the I
that
feel
is
the
the
only
problem
difference
here.
I
Because
can
उसका
do
कोई
it.
टाइम टेबल ही नहीं है.
So I can do it, say for example for 8 months, but then फिर वो consistency नहीं रहेगा. If I'm off for 4 months,
4 months.
for everyone, like for the audience as well, तो वो consistency रहेगा नहीं and then they won't be able to connect.
And off as in off and how, मतलब
Yeah.
completely
Aim point, shut,
radar से ही
yeah.
बाहर है, मतलब mom dad से बात नहीं, friends से बात नहीं, मेरे से बात नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, आके literally because his flights are at
Changed
4
bags.
a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
So there was a time in this wedding season also, only the wedding was in Mumbai, but we still did not meet for 3 days. Because he used to come home only at what 3 a.m. That time I had passed
Yeah.
out. He would wake up early because record
Dance
चालू हो
day,
रहा
yeah.
है. So he had to reach what that Mahalakshmi race course at what 8 o'clock. So he would leave at 6:30 or something in the morning, 7 o'clock. तब तक मैं उठती नहीं थी. So like घर में होके मतलब मुंबई में होके भी we could not meet. So that kind of commitment we cannot give.
And this conversation I think we'd had before
Yeah,
the
getting
wedding as
married
well,
also,
before
yeah.
getting married.
We have
कि
had this conversation.
कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. Because I also, to be honest, personally love coming on the channel, coming on everyone's channel, and you know creating content and
And I have
everything.
seen that the audience also loves
Loves
this
Yeah,
guy.
so
yeah.
that is what I've promised the audience also कि I'll keep on coming. जहाँ जहाँ में possible है, we like to
जब भी
and
available
to be honest, it's not it's not unnatural for us. It's very natural for us when we come on camera. We play the games off camera also because I love playing games in every format,
you should see
everywhere.
a different version of
Yeah,
Sahil.
and I become very competitive. So we are like that. So
This
इसलिए
calm
वो
and composed nature is gone.
Monica.
Bro,
Yeah,
you
that's
won't
true.
stand next to him. He's like, हाँ कौन मानुस है? I want to talk to this guy. He's like that.
yeah. So
मैंने I think वो देखा था थोड़ा. I saw one of your shots अभी recently जो
Yeah.
post किया था where you are drawing pictures.
Yeah.
नहीं, you are picking colors.
Yeah.
colors में
Colors
हाँ.
वाला उसमें मैं दिखा
Bro,
था
he
अच्छा लगा
bullies and whatnot. Like Uno में तो बाप रे, that day Ranjit and him were like having a fight. नहीं ऐसा rule this that. Like he will not care who is sitting in front. बाप रे. Games is like too much love he has
Yeah.
like for sports.
It comes very natural to us, and then that is what we shoot. That is what
So
we
we
film.
occasionally he comes,
कभी-कभी
but
कुछ
there
कर
is
लेते
no
हैं.
plan as such. Coming,
Yeah, as of
answering
now
your
तो,
question,
yeah.
as of now there is no plan as such, and honestly, I am not somebody who will also tell him. Honestly, बोलूँ, the money is good. Okay, if we start the couple channel, the money is too good. But I am somebody who will not tell him to give up on his dreams, because I've seen that zeal in his eyes when he is on the field, when there is a wedding, and like he's such a people's person. Like even the clients are like, Sahil nahi aaya, this, that. Like one day he's not there, so he loves doing what he does. Of course, in future when he feels like, you know, this is not something that I want to do and I want to become a creator, we'll think about it. But right now, it's definitely not even on the table to consider. So yeah.
Yeah,
Sorry,
and
guys.
Sahil is
Yeah.
very good at what he does. Like you know that he has his this thing together, and you know he knows what he wants to do. And
Yeah.
of course, if he loves that,
Yeah, so I don't want him to like, you know, let's do this, because it's easy to like not do it and like come on this side of the camera. But yeah, I don't want him to do that.
But how is it working together? See, now you guys are not thinking about an official couple, but
Yeah.
you guys are shooting together a lot
and
of
also
time.
that Sahil manages.
Yeah, I was
Mansi's
about to
most
come to
things.
that. That
so-
is
Yeah.
more this, because that has been a longer relationship rather than being him
correct.
as a content creator. He's been managing me for a long time.
Yeah, yeah.
And that
Yeah,
also
it's like
happened.
3-4 years.
That also was not planned. It's because
Yeah.
in COVID, what happened is Shukti was started before COVID, and then COVID hit. Of course, the wedding industry was
Thoda
not
slow
working
हुआ.
because
Yeah.
मिल ही नहीं रहे mob तो कैसे? So then they had to give up their office in Andheri. They had,
हाँ,
right?
we shifted. मतलब वो lease
Yeah,
भी खत्म हो
lease
गया था,
खत्म
and
हो
then
गया
we
था, and
didn't
there was no
renew it
point.
because again it was COVID.
Yeah, so then he was in a place where he was not understanding now what.
Yeah.
Like he had just passed out from his college, so like what is this now? So that time, as a this, I just like threw a float at him ki you're drowning, just
Yeah.
take this and come, because till then I was doing my own invoices and taking the payments and fighting with the brands and whatnot. So that time I was like, chal, try this, at least you will have something to show at home ki you are
Yeah,
earning
correct.
thoda bahut
Yeah.
for a living, you know. And that's how it started, and it's still going on. And
This was I think when we were 22, 23 years old.
Yeah,
तो
we're
तभी
28
तो
now.
we need some income. We need to show also
Yeah,
घर पे
yeah.
कि, you know, कुछ ना कुछ तो
So
कर रहा है.
how it is working with your partner? So we had this discussion हमारा first episode में
Yeah.
कि how it is working with your partner. So हमारा opinion था कि it's always better to work with your partner than to work under a boss, because partner कैसा है कि तुम कुछ कहोगे नहीं तो भी
I had said that time because you can boss your partner. if you should.
because partner कैसा है कि वो आधी चीज पहले ही समझ जाएगा, because he or she knows you as a
Yeah,
person, and
Right.
कुछ अनकही चीजें होती है वो भी समझ जाता है, because you guys like except working partner you are like in a
Correct.
relationship also.
Yeah.
So for you guys now, leave the couple content part, but
हाँ.
since you're managing her
Managing,
since
right.
so long,
Yeah.
how has it been? And if you compare it with if you would have hired a different manager,
Yeah.
not Sahil, कोई
Yeah.
और manager होता और Sahil है, तो इन दोनों में what you think is the big difference?
definitely, I would definitely आग बंद करके will go with Sahil, is because I feel Sahil and I have our own strengths when it comes to cracking a brand deal. So I am somebody who मेरा gut feeling बहुत strong होता है, ठीक है? And Sahil is somebody who knows how to talk to brands without losing your temper, because brands really test you at
Yeah,
points,
yeah,
you know.
they do.
And I don't have that kind of patience in me. And
ये अपने से role reversal.
But
Yeah.
I am Sahil here.
you
Yeah,
are
yeah,
Sahil,
yeah,
is
yeah,
it?
yeah.
Yeah, correct. So like I don't have that patience in me, and that he has. And sometimes when I know the brand is bullshitting around, I have told him this, and he's gone wrong there. He's like, "नहीं करते ना, it's fine." And then it has bitten in my ass.
Same
You know, so like now he knows that that is my strength, and now I know that how when I know that I'm losing my temper, I'm like, Sahil, bug tu baba, mala samat nahi hai. You talk, you get on a call with them, and you sort this out when payments are not coming or whatever that is. So yeah, as you said, ki you know the partner so well, so you know their strengths and weaknesses. So and also as you said, ki not boss around, but of course I have that comfort कि भाई तूने इनवॉइस नहीं बनाया, फिर ये पेमेंट नहीं आया, सो आई कैन एक्चुअली confront him without thinking कि oh my god ये मेरे को छोड़ के जाएगा अभी,
या
because
उसको बुरा लगेगा.
yeah,
इसको
because
क्या
right
लगेगा.
now the people that I have
Right
hired
now,
also in
हाँ.
the past,
Yeah, actually.
the new generation, no
experiences that we've
offense,
had.
but
Yeah.
sometimes ऐसा हो जाता है ना कि for small things people are holding you accountable and like ऐसे कैसे मेरे को बोल दिया, and then वो सब
Correct.
किसी और
Drama
के साथ
नहीं
I
चाहिए.
cannot
And जैसे
do.
एक एग्जांपल दे इनवॉइस का, when you tell him also I'm sure उसको समझता है कि why you मतलब
Yeah,
क्यों
yeah,
इतना
yeah.
गुस्सा,
Right.
like
Of
because
course.
this is important.
Correct.
And अगर कोई external employee होगा maybe उसको नहीं समझेगा कि इतना क्यों
Yeah, because he knows that payment is for us only.
Yeah.
Correct. So like ये हम हमारे खुद के घर के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. So like वो he also looks at Manasi Vahu as a brand, as his own baby.
Of course.
That I don't think another person will.
So all of us saw Mansi and Sahil's wedding, and it was beautiful, straight out of a fairy tale, of course. And so was the proposal, by the way. I loved the proposal
the
pictures.
photos. जैसे ही मैंने और आदू ने देखे ना, I remember हम लोग बेड पे ऐसे स्क्रॉल करते थे रात
Yeah.
में, Instagram, we saw the photos and we were like so beautiful, the photos were so beautiful. I can imagine actual moment जब तुम दोनों
Yeah.
वहाँ पे होंगे, वो पूरा फील्ड इतना ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा था ना. I mean,
lavender color
No
का
doubt,
and all
it's
that. It was so
beautiful.
beautiful. And so was their wedding. बहुत सुंदर था, बहुत अच्छा था. And of course, Mr. Planner had only planned his own wedding, so it was perfect. But I just wanted to ask you कि देखो सबके शादी में ऐसे कुछ होता है कि कितना भी तुम प्लान कर लो, कितना भी कर लो, कुछ ना कुछ तो हमें बाद में सीखने मिलता है कि यार
Right,
ये
true.
थोड़ा ऐसे कर
ये अलग
लेते
कर
तो
सकते
हो
हैं.
जाता या ऐसा कर लेते. So are there any takeaways? Because see wedding season तो हमेशा चलता रहता है. So
Yeah.
maybe the new people who are about to get married can take away from our thing.
Yeah.
You wanna
So
go?
in terms of takeaway, I would say we need to enjoy the wedding as much as everyone says. You know, कि I was a planner and you know सब अच्छे से हुआ. I definitely had my entire team. I had her support. I had both of the family support, and इसलिए इतना successful to be honest the wedding event. One thing that we maybe didn't do is जो हम दोनों आज regret नहीं बोलूँगा, but we say कि यार ये
We could have
करना
done
चाहिए था.
differently.
We could have done differently. We could have enjoyed हमारी संगीत के रात का dance and after
Yeah,
party.
yeah.
We missed that because
I felt sick, no?
Yeah, she felt sick. It was very cold, and then संगीत मॉर्निंग में हल्दी था, उसके पहले मेरी कोई पूजा थी, इसकी भी कुछ
And
पूजा
I
थी.
had that Ganesh पूजन
Yeah,
जो
next
नववारी
morning.
वाला जो था, so I had to wake up at 4 a.m.
4 a.m. So
and
then
हमारा संगीत ही खत्म हुआ कुछ 1 बजे ऐसा कुछ. तो उसके बाद आफ्टर पार्टी में रुकना did make
so
sense.
people
I
have
had
danced
to
till
sleep.
5 a.m. in that way.
Yeah.
And संगीत got shut say around 11 के
Yeah.
आसपास, and then people were
After
dancing.
party, yeah.
But then हमारा dinner बचा था, and then the photo shoots and everything. So it tired us out kind of. And then she fell sick. So then we retired and we slept.
Yeah, because I was like, if I अगर ये रात में रुकी
तो
ना
next
तो कल
day शादी का
है.
दिन.
Main
Yeah.
day को
Because
नहीं.
Main day को
literally
नहीं
nobody
कर
knows
सकते.
this, वो मैंने vlog में भी नहीं डाला था, but
Yeah.
I have taken second dose of paracetamol and I have
Paracetamol,
entered the mandap. Otherwise तो मैं शादी कर ही नहीं पाती, इतनी हालत खराब हो गई थी. So I think that, as he said, because the only day I clearly remember is the first day, which is the Sakharpura day. जिस दिन में सिर्फ साखरपुरा था, very few people, and it was the Sufi night. I've danced my heart out. Like everybody has enjoyed and half the Rajasthani folk music. But the next 2 days, it's a blur. अगर मैंने vlog नहीं किया होता तो मुझे मेरी शादी
It was
याद
very
ही नहीं
fast.
रहती.
हाँ, it was very
that
fast.
But
bad.
I
That
think
is
that happens ना, क्योंकि
That
हम लोग भी
happens, yeah.
जिसकी शादी होती है ना उसको
हाँ.
मेमोरीज इतना होते
हाँ,
नहीं
because
है.
मैं किससे मिली, मेरे रूम में
कौन
आके
किसने
कौन
क्या
hi बोल
बोला.
दिया, मैंने
और
क्या
हम
खाना
लोग
खाया.
इतने ऑक्यूपाइड होते हैं ना मेंटली
Yeah.
कि बाकी क्या हो रहा है आसपास,
That's
ठीक है
true.
जो हो रहा है मुझे ये
Yeah,
मुझे करना मुझे.
yeah.
तो लेटर बिकॉज हम लोग भी बात करते हैं बिकॉज वी आल्सो हैव आवर वेडिंग ऑन फुटेज ऑन ब्लॉग्स.
Yeah.
बट हमारा उतना नहीं
उतना
है.
नहीं
तो
है.
हम तभी
You have the
content
raw
creator
data
phase
only,
में
correct,
थे.
yeah, yeah.
और हमारे पास मतलब मैडी ने आई थिंक तभी ब्लॉग किया
Correct,
था.
vlog किया था.
बट हमारा कुछ भी नहीं है, तो हमारे लिए तो मुझे तो एनीवे ब्लर है.
that's
पूरा
true.
शादी.
So yeah,
बट
that
जितना
they
भी
should.
है जितना भी है वो जब देखा, जब हम भी एक दिन बैठे थे, अरे ये भी हुआ था क्या,
हाँ.
अरे वो भी हुआ था.
So that is what we did. Abhi, like when we got all the raw footages and the films and the long version of everything.
Yeah, like uncut
तो
जो मिलता है ना,
she saw
detail
my
से
rituals,
वैसा.
she saw her rituals again. I was seeing
Yeah.
that and the rituals वाला thing, किसने क्या किधर हल्दी लगाया, कितने लड्डू खिलाया and all of that. वो बहुत मजा आता है वो देखने को. It's
Yeah, so I
very
think
fun.
that
Yeah.
is like
It's
you guys
just a
should
tip, but
keep
I
that in
don't
your
know.
mind.
It should be kept in
Try
mind.
to take
Try
a
to do
pause.
that.
I know it's difficult.
It's very difficult to maybe be stress free entire
Yeah,
time,
correct.
but it can be definitely tried
Stress
harder.
भी नहीं, just take a
Yeah.
pause and
Yeah,
just
enjoy,
absorb
yeah,
it. Oh,
that's true.
I just did this now. Oh, मैंने अभी ring पहन ली.
Yeah.
अभी
Yeah.
ये हुआ. Like just mental note, because trust me, it's a blur later on.
Yeah.
And the only thing that you have is videos and pictures and your
Yeah.
friends' stories कि हमने संगीत में
हमने
ये किया. So like
I think friends enjoy the most.
Yeah,
yeah.
हर शादी में.
No
Even
doubt.
relatives, friends,
Yeah.
they enjoy
Then
them.
I think one final thing that I would want to ask them is, what are your future plans? What is up? What is happening? And May wanted to ask you about parenthood. I don't know why he's so obsessed
I'm gonna be
with parenthood.
That boa
That
chachi
uncle
है
boa
कहाँ?
chachi.
बुआ चाची के
हाँ.
बच्चे का भी शादी हो गई, अभी बच्चे कब कर
ये
रहे हो?
3 महीना भी नहीं हुआ
महीना
है
हुआ शादी
यार.
को, and खुद का तो कुछ प्लान है नहीं अभी तक.
अपन पूछेंगे.
रिवर्स
हमें पूछना
रिवर्स
चाहिए
उन्हों
ये
कब आया है?
हमें पूछना चाहिए कि 3 साल हो गए.
And in parenthood वो लोग भी पेरेंट्स हैं और हम लोग भी पेरेंट्स हैं ऑलरेडी.
Yeah.
ओके, सो दे आर, ये उनकी बच्ची है.
कैमोफ्लेज हो गई वो फिर.
कितनी कंफर्टेबल. नीचे मेरा
सो भी
थाई
यार
है,
बंद है उसका.
नीचे थाई है, साइड में पिलो है, एकदम सेटल्ड.
Yeah.
बोल.
बट तो भी क्या
Future plans क्या
कुछ तो कभी तो ऐसा डिस्कशन हुआ होगा.
Yeah,
कुछ
so
किया.
I think how we function is we both are those kind of people कि we don't take the 5-year plan and 10-year plan that we want to be here. We definitely have different ambitions कि हमारी इच्छाएं है, हमारे wishes है and all of that. So that is what we work. So like we have all short-term goals. Ki, acha, this is the next trip that we want to plan, or this is something that we want to do in terms of house or a car or anything like that. So then we follow that. But future plans, as in though we have not planned
Yeah,
anything
because
specific.
अभी recent last 3 महीने also जो हुआ है ना,
हाँ, so
उसके बाद it's become even scarier to even think about future कि भाई कल उठेंगे नहीं उठेंगे, मतलब ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही negative हो गया. But I am someone who always plans for a plan B, which is extremely कि सबसे
Worst
आग
case
लग गई
scenario.
घर को तो क्या करेंगे.
Worst
I
case
am
scenario,
that,
yeah.
you know, because I don't know, I'm trained that way. I don't know why. I come from that trauma or something. I don't know what it is, but I will always have the worst thing happening in my head so that I'm prepared. I don't
Right.
want that to come as a shock.
Because I know I can't take anything as a shock.
As a shock, correct. Because then I can't function.
Yeah.
आधे मुझे बोलते हैं ना ये हो गया तो which is very extreme.
हाँ,
अब
नहीं होता है वो.
but क्या सोच रही पहले ये जो हो रहा है उस पे तो एक level
Yeah,
ऊपर
but
है।
हुआ ना, rarest disease you saw.
But ये तो
no.
तूने सोचा भी नहीं था. It's
ये तो मैंने
see,
सोचा भी नहीं था. But that gave me a shock.
And then you
Then
kind
I
of
panicked.
shake.
But होगा जो
See,
होना है वो
होना है
होगा।
होता है.
हाँ,
That is
but
what we believe in.
उतना सोच के worry
नहीं
करना
तो
अभी
वरी
क्या
नहीं
है?
कर रहे. So अभी कैसे तभी ना ठीक से सूझता नहीं है. So if you've thought about certain things, then you kind of have an answer. You are ready for certain things. तो वो
But
easier
don't you
होता है.
think, I'm just when I thought it, don't you think when you think about such thing, so somewhere you are maybe manifesting it or
It
somewhere.
goes out in the universe. That
हाँ.
I've
doubt.
always told her.
No
कि-
doubt. And then we say, I told you so.
हाँ, but then, see, there's no winning. There's no winning. मतलब नहीं हुआ तो मैं तो प्रिपेयर कर रही हूँ और हो गया तो मैंने बोला था. तो hypothetical तो होना ही है. तो it's always
हमारा
gonna.
secret out मत करो.
It's always they're gonna win regardless.
That is true. That you must have
So for
realized.
parenthood,
Yeah.
you guys have not thought going with the flow. जो होगा वो
Nothing
होगा.
is-
Bro, जो चल रहा है
Yeah.
ना अभी दुनिया में, like we genuinely don't have an
So
environment
we saw that
to
Netflix series
bring up a
also.
child.
Adolescence भी देखा.
Yeah, bhai.
So, and like we see the generations. We
Yeah.
know Chevy. We see the school kids who are
And we are
currently
working with the next generation also.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We
बहुत
understand
सारा
कि what is
change
currently
है.
going
Like I
on.
feel I saw the reel. I don't know if you have अभी सबका algorithm तो same ही रहता है, but I don't know if you guys have seen that reel. I recently saw, I think last week or something, कि when it comes to pregnancy or when it comes to having a new life in your life, we get extremely optimistic. Arey, it's a beautiful world. When we know somewhere it's not a beautiful world. We know that things are going horribly wrong. Global warming is real. Everything's
Oh,
like
yeah.
things are going really bad. Like that day I had just like one dream कि हम लोग इतना dependent है on this electricity, everything. Just imagine everything is just gone. Like there is a blackout.
Stone age.
Okay, complete. We don't have sun वाला जो भी होता है वो हमने नहीं किया है. मुंबई में सब जगह पे नहीं है वो. पानी अगर नहीं है टैप से नहीं आ रहा है. We don't even have tankies in the new house. In these new towers,
It's
there
not
are no
allowed.
tankies.
I can see Mansi think of the extreme.
Yeah,
she
so I'm
can,
telling
she
you, if
will.
that
So I think that
blackout
balances
happens,
us.
what will
But
you
that
do?
that balances us. कि ये she prepares. She is very pessimist. Like not pessimist. Not pessimist. She always takes care and prepares
For the
us for the worst case scenarios. And I am always too optimistic. तो हम लोग बैलेंस कर
ये
लेते
तो
हैं.
रोज वर्ल्ड में ही जीता है.
मैं
वो
बोलता हूँ
tinted glasses ही है
मैं बोलता हूँ
उसकी
इतना
आँख में.
ब्लैक नहीं है, ये बोलती है इतना रेड नहीं है, तो आ जाते हैं हम लोग फिर मिक्स करके
That
थोड़ा
is-
कुछ कर
Yeah,
लेते हैं,
कर
कलर
लेते
बना
हैं, बीच
लेते
का colour आ जाता
हैं,
है.
बीच का
Yeah.
कलर बना लेते हैं, so that's fine.
That's
And but in terms of parenthood, I feel she's already a mother. She has mothered, if that's a
Yeah,
word.
I'm mothering
Shaivi,
you also.
not me.
उठ
She
रे
is
बाबा
a-
सकाळी उठ.
फक्त तेच करते
हाँ,
थे.
please.
दुसरं काय नाही, दुसरं सगळं मी
Yeah,
करतो.
but I agree कि wives थोड़ा mothering तो करते हैं.
They have
But
that
हम
instinct,
क्या
I
बोलते
feel.
हैं?
हाँ.
Fathering भी करते हैं हम काफी.
But I think fathering you will only do when you become a father. Otherwise you won't.
नहीं,
I've
to you
seen
guys.
men.
हाँ.
नाही
Like
म्हणजे
बाबू
I
कर
don't
दो.
father me.
असं नाही पण
We
म्हणजे
do.
असं की आपण हट्ट किंवा आपण तसे असतो त्या
तू
वेळेला
जाके बात
दे आर
कर गया,
देअर टू
order
लाईक
लेके आ.
देन वी आर क्राइंग दे नो
Yeah.
हाउ टू काम अस
Yeah.
डाउन एंड यू नो वैसे तो दे आर दिस वन
थोड़ा तो करते हैं हम, हाँ.
दैट इज देयर
थोड़ा
I think equally करते हैं. वो थोड़ा हमारा इतना दिखता नहीं है. ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
एंड ये तो मतलब वही फ्रेंड्स का डायलॉग इज वेरी एविडेंट फॉर हर कि शी इज ऑलरेडी अ मदर. तो
हाँ EV भी.
ईवी
So like
है,
Chevy,
शेवी है,
EV.
तो
So
इंस्टिंक्ट्स तो है काफी
हाँ
पहले से.
instincts तो है. So like we haven't thought about that yet. As I said कि I am not thinking like 1 year में क्या करना है, 2 years में क्या क्या. I'm
हाँ,
only
we go with
taking maximum
short-term
a week a
goals.
day.
हाँ.
कि मला पुढच्या शनिवारी हे करायचं आहे. That's all. Otherwise I'm not thinking that much in the future because I feel I live too much in the future and that I need
and
to
that
cut down.
stresses
And then वो नहीं
everyone out,
timeline
yeah.
complete हुआ ना तो फिर हिल जाता है सब कुछ. तो उससे better I just take 1 week a day. In fact in my diaries also, Simba lifestyle planners, I write कि you know this week तक ठीक है.
But
महीनाचा also I don't make.
विजन बोर्ड पर्सन
I am, but I don't too much believe in it. Of course, अभी for example, I want a luxury car. So वो है दिमाग में. But then I will not put a date on it. Because I feel age is just a number. I've always said it because sometimes things happen for somebody at 30, 35 also, but some people के लिए 18 में ही they get it. So I don't want to put कि नहीं मेरे को ये एज में ये वाला चाहिए या फिर मुझे ये 4 साल में करना है. वो एज या फिर that number I don't want to put on
There's
my
no
dreams.
timeline to it.
Yeah.
Dreams
This is
are
something
set.
that I want,
Yeah,
but
Yeah.
yeah, correct. The vision is there, but the date is not there.
Like
That
very
is why I
same.
don't, that 5 year, 6 year. No, if you
Yeah.
ask me future goals, I have it ready. But it's not dated.
Time dated, yeah.
Like that.
We have visions, ambitions,
Yeah.
and we work towards it. That is
Yeah.
how we
जब होगा
are
तो
leading our
भगवान
life.
भरोसे,
Yeah.
right? वैसा.
Okay, so now it's time for a fun segment. So what we're going to do is we're going to give Mansi and Sahil 2 slates, and we'll ask a question. They both have to not look at each other and write their answer. Whoever gets the answer right, of course, मतलब तुमको पता ही होगा उसका
Okay,
आंसर,
okay.
तो जिसका भी right रहेगा will get a point and एक छोटा सा gift at the end. Whoever wins.
Okay, cool.
We have cool slates. I was very
घर पे ही जा रहा है gift.
impressed. हाँ,
वो
घर
बात
पे ही
है,
आने वाला है.
but one
Oh, wow.
is the winner.
Fancy
Yeah.
iPad
You should
types.
tell that to yourself.
We
Yeah.
discovered
Don't get
this
competitive. घर पे ही जा रहा है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता.
Okay, so we're starting with easy. Okay.
couple challenge.
We obviously know Mao's favorite color. No points for guessing. But what is Sahil's favorite color?
Oh yeah. I'm
मुझे भी
curious.
लिखना है ये,
हाँ.
and तुझे भी लिखना है.
Yeah.
I know it.
No peeping, huh?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
Is it
Oh!
black?
Point.
Yeah,
points
I'm
लग रहा है?
tracking the points. But did you know, like you were confident यही color है?
उसका पूरा wardrobe उससे भरा है. I had to find colors.
But I think black is like मेरा भी one of the favorite
Yeah.
colors black.
One of
He
the
loves
like-
black.
One of the favorite. मेरा एक particular नहीं है मेरा.
हाँ, इसका तो कलर मतलब ऐसे आंसर नहीं कर
अलग-अलग
सकती
है.
मैं कि
हाँ?
इसका कौन सा है.
Oh, he loves colors.
हाँ,
All.
मतलब ऐसा नहीं, ब्लैक वाइट
मेरा
ब्राउन.
black and white है बस, I feel.
मेरे को भी ऐसा bold black white grey ये तीन मेरे को अच्छा लगता है.
Recently, he's getting into beige.
हाँ,
Yeah.
ब्राउन.
Yeah.
में.
तो हम लोग जब कोरिया गए थे ना, I think you also did. I saw one of the videos. वो color analysis.
Color-
हाँ हाँ color
analysis,
analysis.
तो
Yeah.
उसने मुझे बोला autumn का
हाँ,
वो तो
yeah.
ये and
So
brick
you're taking
color.
it seriously. Very good.
और I was like,
अच्छा है ना?
जो
But
बोला
also
था-
that this season is this color.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
it's all very nice.
The
This
beige
looking
colors,
nice.
beige browns.
Okay.
Okay.
Which is Mao's favorite food
Like cuisine.
or dish?
ठीक है.
One dish that Mao loves.
So you have to write and he has to match, huh?
It's a big one.
दोनों इतना लंबा लिखे तो I think right हो सकता है.
Done. Ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. बटर चिकन
chicken
और
and
काला
काला
वटाना.
वटाना.
Yeah,
काला
काला
वटाना
और कढ़ी rice.
हाँ, मैं कड़ी राइस लिखने वाला था, टाइम खत्म हो गया. मैं
So
इसका
I
कॉमा
think
करके.
point
Yeah.
side will get a point.
Yeah.
काला
Butter
वटाना.
chicken miss
काला
कर
वटाना.
मैं क्योंकि अभी चिकन बंद है ना, तेरा मन्नत था ना यार, तो मैं भूल गई थी. अभी चिकन खाना ही बंद कर दिया अपन ने.
What is काला वटाना?
It's black peas.
No, not black pea. Black peas.
हाँ, but
Not chana. It's not chana.
उसका सब्जी, उसका सब्जी.
ग्रीन वटाना होता है,
हाँ,
वैसे
मटर.
ब्लैक वटाना होता है. छोटू साइज.
मैंने नहीं देखा कभी ब्लैक वटाना.
मतलब मेरे घर पे बनता है.
सुंदर.
ट्राई करना पड़ता. So काला वटाना ऐसे काला वटाना का सब्जी.
सब्जी.
Yeah,
Yeah.
gravy होता है,
Gravy
with
वाला.
rice.
With
Sounds
curry rice.
interesting.
It's very nice. मैं कड़ी राइस जस्ट लिखने वाला था, but मेरे को लगा तो ऑल टाइम फेवरेट नहीं करेगी
It
उसका.
is. Come on.
तभी इसको point
One all.
दोनों को. One of Sahil's habits that you don't like. तुझे भी लिखना है
मैं भी लिख सकता हूँ आफ्टर
the discussion.
या
तभी मैंने लिखा था, तभी पता नहीं था ना अपने को.
ये वो
मानसी
हैबिट है,
से
ऐसे नहीं लिखना है. ऐसे लिख
दो ऑप्शंस
I'm
लिखे
just checking the
हैं.
spelling. Anyways, हाँ. Done. Procrastinate or waking up late.
Laziness.
वही.
Waking up
Yeah,
late.
same.
Doesn't get up on time only. इतना laziness कहाँ से आता है? She.
I
Like
think
everybody is like 5 minutes. 5. Like he has 8-1, 8-2, 8-3, 8-4. ऐसे
Snooze
4
करके
अलार्म
अच्छा
है
लगता
तो
है
उसके. बाजू वाला इंसान उठ जाए भाई, बट ये ना उठे. कुंभकर्ण.
नहीं,
Snooze
मेका
करना.
कैसे वो 15 अलार्म लगा के रखेगा,
हाँ.
पर उठेगा वो
Last
दूसरा
बाजू
अलार्म
वाला
में.
उठ जाता है.
नहीं, उठ जाएगा, उसको मेरे को उठाना
हाँ.
नहीं पड़ता. पर बाद में वॉशरूम
बजते
जाएगा,
रहेगा.
फोन बाहर है, मैं इधर अलार्म बंद करती बैठी हूँ.
हाँ, इसके बाद भी हुआ है. मैं वॉशरूम गया तो ने 2 अलार्म
आज ही सुबह मैं नहा रहा हूँ, ये बाहर मेरा अलार्म
मैंने बोला एक ड्यूटी है मेरी इसका अलार्म बंद करने की.
So 1
Nice.
to 1.
रखना
Yeah,
अच्छे
yeah.
से.
हाँ.
तेरे मैथमेटिक्स का यूज करना.
2-1.
ठीक है. ये दोनों का आना चाहिए. द ईयर दैट यू गाइज मेट.
ओह, वो रुक जाओ.
ओ भाई मेरे को थोड़ा सा.
Oh my goodness. ये तुम दोनों के लिए पॉइंट है. But
वो तो वो बताएंगे.
कैलकुलेटिंग.
लिख दिया.
एक ही मिनट मेरा देख मत.
नहीं, मैं लिख दिया भाई.
एक ही मिनट चाहिए मेरे को.
रॉन्ग लिखा ना तो घर चल फिर.
मैंने ना
मैं 2 नंबर्स में कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ, 8 या 9 में कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ मैं.
लपो लपो.
चलो.
काहीतरी वाईटच
3,
लिहिलं.
2, 1 go.
2018.
राईट.
Yes.
पहले 90 लिखा था ना.
नहीं 80 लिखा था.
था.
I was confused 8 या 9.
मैं 7 और 8 में थी. 7 में I passed out from college and I
Yeah,
met you in 18.
इसलिए.
So you guys met in 2018, so it's been 8 years.
7 years.
7 years.
For some reason I thought it was 26.
We
एक
met
साल
in
आगे चल.
2017. तो बराबर.
Yeah.
If she says.
Yes.
He's so bad with
At remembering
dates
dates.
and
मैं तो इसको
years.
बोलता हूँ कितनी बार कि it feels like
हाँ,
I've
बस, बस.
met you forever.
हाँ.
So ऐसा.
Correct. Good answer.
Very bad
Not
cover up में भाई. Very bad cover up.
सगळ्या वेळेला
But Mansi is leading.
But मुझे क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आया वो पॉइंट्स को
वही मैं आधे को
मत उसको इग्नाइट करो तुम भाई.
But वही बोलने वाला था.
what which is Mao's dream destination?
There you go.
इसको ही नहीं पता है. अब ये कहेगा कि मैं कैसे पॉइंट जीतूं. ये ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन कैन बी
जो हुआ नहीं
नहीं हुआ है.
न्यूयॉर्क था मैं करके आ गई.
गई.
अभी
जो
नहीं
नहीं-
किया.
नहीं
ओके
किया.
ओके हाँ मालूम आहे
अबे,
तेरे को.
next
कर चल.
जाना है.
ए बोगा आता घेऊन नाही जाणार मी तुला.
नहीं
मी
किया
एकटीच
है.
जाणार.
अरे एक सेकंड नहीं. नो.
और
हाँ और वीर मत करे.
और अच्छा है ना तेरे और.
ये और हर चीज में हाँ एक्चुअली अच्छा है साहिल.
मतलब you get 2 options.
डन.
थोड़ा सा ऊपर.
नाही बघत आहे तो गुड
हे
बॉय.
आपण लिहिलंय. तू विसरलास तर बघ.
कुठे लिहिलंय भाई.
बघ ये मेरे जैसी नहीं है. मैं तू याद रख.
मेरे को भी एक और रख लेते हैं. मेरे को 2 में कंफ्यूजन है ना.
तो दोनों लिख. मैंने भी 2
US
लिखा
तो
है.
हो गया.
राइट 2.
बाप रे.
सारे लोग क्या बोलेंगे.
Tough है,
अपन को
tough.
अभी शादी हुई है यार.
ए
इसीलिए
तेरे
नहीं पता गाइस.
Yes.
होता है टाइम लगेगा बात.
But
अरेंज
मुझे-
मैरिज थोड़ी है.
बट तेरे ड्रीम वाले हो गए ना. चलो.
डन.
3, 2, 1.
क्या लिखा है साहिल?
Oh, exact.
नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स एंड स्नो इन लंडन.
He has written London and Northern Lights.
इसलिए टाइम ले रहा था मैं. बोलो.
बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट सीन स्नो.
या
You have
Yet.
not seen snow yet?
इंडिया
Yes.
इंडिया के बाहर भी नहीं. अभी हम मसूरी भी गए थे. हम सबको भैया कब गिरने वाला है. They are like अभी गिर के गया आप लेट आए मैम. And then I'm like shit. And then you guys went in Manali and you guys saw snow. I'm like मैं इतना jealous थी ना. like, ये हमारे बाद जाके भी कैसा स्नो में जाके आए. And then the thing is I want to experience snow in London is because I
London
want
and
to do the
Christmas.
Christmas.
Yeah.
But it's a wedding season. So that is gonna be dream only forever. I
होएगा.
cannot go.
एक दिन कामयाब
Unless
होगा.
कोई
एक दिन
कोई
तो लंदन
ऐसा
जाएगा.
मिला जो लंदन में डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग
हाँ manifestations.
दोनों
That's
आंसर्स करेक्ट.
हाँ ठीक है. दे गुलाब जामुन मेल.
I
मुझे
think
तो
दो
2 मिलना
point
चाहिए.
मिलना
point.
चाहिएगा,
2
साहिल
मिलना चाहिए भाई.
प्लीज.
अरे एक्यूरेसी से इतने सारे कंट्रीज में से दोनों मैंने निकाले.
ठीक है चल रो.
Okay,
That
2
is their
points to
call.
Sahil.
Yes.
नहीं, okay, 1
नहीं.
point to Sahil. Sorry,
on.
I have to listen
ऐसे
to my
चीटिंग नहीं करने का.
wife. 3 all. 3
Three all.
all. Yeah.
One thing that Sahil cannot live without. See, because I knew Mao can't live without Evie. या ऐसा मतलब माऊ का थोड़ा सा ये था मुझे, बट साहिल एक्सप्रेसिव.
I know what you wrote and it's a very diplomatic answer.
चलो चलो.
Don't give him points.
3, 2, 1.
Sleep.
Mansi and phone. What
Come
Sahil
on.
का
झोपेने
phone.
डोळे नाही उघडत तुझे.
स्लीप नहीं ऐसे. स्लीप के बिना मैं रह
साहिल
सकता
का
हूँ.
आंसर सा ऑ वाला है.
कुछ और नहीं है.
Phone
He's
क्या
trying to
और?
earn
अरे
brownie
मानसी को
points
बोलो,
for no
मानसी का
reason.
मानसी
फोन थोड़ी ऑ है. फोन नहीं है. मानसी ऑ है ना.
देख उसने ऐसा लिखा है कि जब वो मानसी के साथ है तो मानसी, जब मानसी के साथ नहीं तो फोन.
फोन
क्यों कोई
चाहिए.
फोन पे मानसी से बात करे?
करेगा. हाँ सी.
ना, ना,
एक ही
बराबर है.
आंसर.
ही
तू इकडे
अंडरस्टैंड्स मी.
Come here,
ही
come here, sit
अंडरस्टैंड्स
here.
मी.
So साहिल लीड कर रहा है.
Yeah,
So,
Sahil
understand.
leading now. Correct.
Okay. First item that Sahil cooked for you.
हाँ.
एकदम से एग्जाम वाला हाँ करके लिख दिया तुमने.
बराबर ना.
तूच
3,
cook
2,
केलं
1.
मला थोडी माहिती.
Pancakes.
That's right.
All हो गया ना.
All हो गया 4.
All हो
Now it depends. So questions आदु ने सेट किया.
Exactly. So
हाँ.
अभी मेरे लिए क्वेश्चन है तो
तो मुझे वही
ऐसा कुछ नहीं
हाँ,
आएगा.
मुझे वही
common one.
अभी
हाँ,
रियलाइज
मेरे
हुआ
लिए ऐसा हो रहा था.
कि पॉइंटिंग सिस्टम डिपेंड
थोड़ा-
करेगा क्वेश्चंस किसके लिए कितना है.
हाँ.
अभी ठीक है, अभी जो मैंने किए वो किए तुम लोग को.
ये फाइवर पे बंद कर देंगे.
हाँ ठीक है. What is the wallpaper on each other's phone?
अरे मल्टीपल
बिना मत देखो अभी at
अभी
this
right
point.
now,
This point,
उसके
ठीक
फोन
है.
पे क्या है? हाँ
Yeah,
उसका
yeah.
क्या है? तू माउस ली.
मैं इसका लिखूँ ना.
ए बघू नाही शकत.
तूने आज सुबह चेंज नहीं किया है ना दोस्त?
3, 2, 1.
उसके फोन पे दिवाली पार्टी का हमारा एक
हाँ.
फोटो है,
एंड माउ एंड ईवी.
पिंक बैकग्राउंड.
एक
I
बार
don't
दिखाओ.
know.
एक बार चेक if you guys can show if you don't mind.
ईवी और मैं पिंक बैकग्राउंड में है. और साहिल का
दिवाली
ये है
party
दिवाली
का.
पार्टी हमने थ्रो की थी शादी के पहले.
Aww.
So like drinks are there बाजू में and like all Diwali stuff.
Nice.
Still all 6 all.
Yeah.
If
Yes.
I'm not wrong, or 5 all, 6 all, 6 all.
नहीं 5 ऑल ना 4 पे मैं गया.
4 में था ना अभी 5.
4 ऑल
Five
वाला
all.
अभी 5 ऑल.
5 all.
You have one job. What year did Mao start her YouTube channel?
Ooh.
मानसी ने ऐसा zup करके लिख दिया.
पता ही है ना उसको.
Mostly.
1, 2,
चलो.
3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Oh, correct again. It's all. 6 all. Adu, you need to get. But no. Very good question. I'm so impressed.
Amazing.
हे
What
घे
a-
तूच विचार.
I mean,
नहीं अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं.
yeah.
Yeah.
Last but not the least, Mao's favorite movie of all time. One.
1. तू 1 लिखेगा?
Like
दो तीन
एकदम
है.
top. उसके अगर
नहीं
3
है एकदम.
favorite
I
है.
have asked her this question. She does not have a favorite song. She does not have a favorite
हमें
movie.
बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. मेरे को भी ऐसे वन बोलोगे तो नहीं आएगा, बट ठीक है.
But एक अगर 3 अच्छे लगते 3 में से एक कौन सा फर्स्ट देखेंगे वैसा?
बाप रे. Possible. देख मत मेरा आंसर.
मेरे बारे में क्वेश्चन है, मैं क्यों तेरे को पता. I want you to lose.
Cheater.
हाँ
भड़का
ये
movie लिखी.
एक्चुअली टाई ब्रेकर हो सकता है.
हाँ.
एंड आई वांट एक ही लिखो. नहीं तो
एक ही लिखूं?
हाँ नहीं तो फिर 2 में से एक
नहीं,
भी राइट हो
दो
गया
लिख
तो-
देते हैं. 2 ने लिखा ना.
मैं
फिर
2
दोनों
लिखा.
right होना
तू
चाहिए.
भी 2 लिख फिर.
हाँ मैंने 2 लिख दिया.
हाँ, मैंने
दोनों
भी
राइट
दो
होना
लिखे.
चाहिए.
पता नहीं क्या
तो ही
होगा.
मार्क मिलेगा, दोनों
हाँ,
राइट हो
ठीक है.
वरना हाफ मिलेगा.
मेरे को मेरे क्वेश्चंस आए नहीं तेरे को वैसा. ठीक है चलो.
3, 2, 1.
कल होना होगा स्टूडेंट ऑफ द
एक ओवरलैप हुआ.
क्या लिखा तूने?
चक दे
SOTY और चक दे इंडिया लिखा मैंने.
तो एक ही करेक्ट
Yeah.
हुआ.
Yeah.
So you get half.
हाँ so मानसी wins technically.
टेक्निकली ही जीती.
एडिटर प्लीज ऐड
Mansi wins, guys.
मानसी wins by half mark. Half mark
उसको
is
बुरा
very.
लग रहा है शायद हारा.
बराबर
अभी
है.
बोला
अभी he'll say but he has
But
won in
questions-
life because
yeah,
he's got
that is
Manasi.
true.
है ना? You were gonna say that.
That
I
is
saw it in
true.
your eyes.
सही
I
है.
saw it.
I am the real winner.
So Mansi won the game but Sahil won
I
in
think
life.
he's cracked the code कि ऐसा कुछ बोलने का और फिर ऐसा कुछ मुश्किल
It's
बोलने
so
का.
obvious.
Gift.
घर पे
An
यार है.
iPhone 17.8 का.
17.8 लेंस.
लेंस नहीं आती 17.8.
We have a small gift for you.
What is this?
Wow.
This
Can I-
is
Thank you.
Yeah, you can open it. Might be taped.
See again,
पीछे
this
से.
is my trait. ऐसे गिफ्ट देख के ऐसे
हाँ,
रहा
ये
नहीं
खोलो,
जाता
खोलो.
मुझसे. But
ना
Wow.
It
French
is-
lavender.
that's why हमने बोला मानसी आ रही है तो लैवेंडर होना चाहिए. अगर साहिल भी जीता तो भी
Crazy.
मानसी के पास ही
हाँ.
जाएगा.
Oof.
I think it's a shower gel.
स्मेल आया बड़े बड़े.
हाँ.
खोलते ही मैंने ये निकाला ना इसके लिए इसका.
It has a shower gel. It has
Yeah.
stones. क्या बोलता है तू? I don't know.
Bath salt.
Bath
Bath
salt. Yeah. It has a bathing bar.
कळलं
And
बघितलं ते.
हे
समझ
मला it reminds me of where I got proposed.
I
because
was
the
just gonna
entire-
say that कि उधर का smell आ
The
रहा है.
entire field was
Yeah, smelling like this. Yes.
heaven because
100%.
lavender field was so and then it started raining also.
Yeah.
End में जब हमारा हो गया proposal we were leaving and it started raining and so the smell was
तो भीनी भीनी
even
खुशबू आती है ना when it rains.
It just
So
I can
teleported.
imagine.
yeah.
exactly that
I was
smell.
just gonna say that कि it is taking me
Japan.
back to Japan.
हम लोग वही देखे हम like ये perfect है because lavender smell.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, so I think we're done with most of the things. We're 90% done. We have only one last question, which I think we ask everybody that comes on our show. What is something that you would tell your 12-year self right now? Like
Like if
something that
your
you have to
12-year-old is standing in front of you and he or she is there for 5 minutes to take
Yeah.
gyan from you,
Yeah.
Okay.
so what will you tell?
Advice
Yeah.
Yeah.
to that
हाँ.
person.
हाँ.
yourself.
Yourself.
To
Yeah,
yourself.
of course.
Yeah.
Who wants to start? Sahil?
Say.
You go.
Once. Okay.
You go first. I would definitely tell him that life is easy. He should not make it complicated. Everything will go well in the end. Once if you are, if you gather all your thoughts, you're not wandering here and there. You stay true to yourself. It's gonna be very easy. It's gonna be scary as well, but I feel everything turns out really well. शादी भी अच्छी होगी. You get the best wife. So yeah, that is there.
I think 12-year Mao was extremely fearless. Extremely. Okay, and I want her to be like that. I feel after my engineering, I have become very, not because of the internet has become softer or whatever, but I've become very mindful. Of course, you should be mindful when your fame and your name comes with a lot of responsibilities. Okay, no doubt you have to be careful, but itna bhi careful nahi ki you lose yourself, you know. And last few years I have faced that, so I feel I'll tell my younger self ki don't, keep being fearless and keep, you know, being that bubbly chick that you were. And one more thing, that I stopped acting. I feel I should have continued acting. I was a child artist and I feel I love the camera. Like I used to love. अभी भी when I was putting on the mic, मैंने इसको बोला bro, मेरे को nostalgia हो रहा है, like the smell of the powder room and putting on the mic and this and that. Like battery खत्म हो गई, फिर दादा आएंगे, battery change करेंगे. So it was such a nice feeling, and I feel I shouldn't have stopped. I should have continued because I can still, but
वो रह जाता है.
then you
yeah.
get into that whole, then you make contacts. अभी वैसा नहीं है. That time people used to genuinely go audition and then you used to get the roles, you know. So then you would have made contacts. अभी वापस वो industry में घुसना, it's not that easy now.
And with so many people also coming in,
Oh,
तभी
yeah.
लोग भी कम थे, but अभी
Yeah, तभी this was a
talent
very,
ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा है.
हाँ, this was a very कैसे बोलते हैं, बहुत कम लोग ये करते थे, बहुत few people used to go in this direction. वरना वही science commerce कोई बाहर arts में नहीं जाएगा. अभी वैसा नहीं है. अभी people are embracing arts. तो I feel I should have continued. Yeah.
So you will tell your younger self कि acting कर.
जा movies में जा. I have said no to such beautiful projects because नहीं, 10वी आलिया है, मला बोर्ड्सचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे.
and in retrospect वो marks या
Yeah.
वो
Correct,
उससे
that is
बहुत
important
कुछ
most.
फर्क
Yeah,
नहीं
नहीं
पड़ा.
पड़ता.
exactly.
वो तभी लगता है कि इट्स
तभी
वेरी
लगता है.
इंपॉर्टेंट कि
Yeah.
इतना कर ही लेना चाहिए एंड यू नो पूरा जी जान डाल के 10th में आना चाहिए.
अभी लगता है ना कि मैंने अगर 10th में 90% आया होता या मुझे 50% आया होता, मैं यही कर रहा हूँ.
Yeah,
उससे कुछ
that's
फर्क
true.
नहीं
हाँ,
पड़ेगा.
because जो होना है वो तो होना ही
You go
है
there
आगे.
only. That's true.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that's our 2 cents on life, because अभी जब हम थोड़ा आगे आए हैं तो लगता है कि ये सब कर लेना चाहिए था, which I think is something that we also had said in our previous episode.
Yeah.
So yes, it was so much fun. Thank you for coming, guys.
I
for
hope you
having
guys
us.
had fun. We
Yes,
had
lot of
definitely
fun.
we
lots
did.
बहुत
of
मजा आया.
unfiltered, candid conversations, and I think we have known each other for so long, but ऐसे बैठ के proper.
नहीं किया है,
And
बहुत
जो भी
time से.
बहुत टाइम बाद किया, we used
Yeah.
to come a lot before
In that
the
studio,
wedding and
no?
वो studio पे बहुत बैठते थे,
Yeah.
बहुत मजे करते थे.
So that
But then-
is also something that we
Yeah.
discussed कि adulting हो चुका है सबका.
Correct.
सबकी
सब
शादियां
लोग
हो
बिखरे
चुकी
हुए
है,
हैं.
सबका responsibilities बढ़ चुका है, हमारा खुद का ग्रुप का भी मिलना
Scattered
खत्म
हो गया है.
है.
हमारा भी वैसा ही हो
We've
गया.
gone to THP together
Yes.
in the
Yeah.
initial days, remember, and we had so
So
much
much
fun
fun,
over
yeah.
there.
Like I've
also.
seen Adu when she was doing a job. Like I met her
Yeah.
when she was
Yeah.
वो ready होती थी ट्रेन के वॉर के लिए, पूरा ऐसा
She used to
लगा
give us
के.
gossip also.
Yeah, like full she used to give
Office
gossip.
gossips.
Office like
नहीं,
Bollywood and
Bollywood Big
and
Boss.
all.
हाँ,
She was in
correct,
Big Boss का
Bollywood
set,
and Big
no?
Boss gossip
Correct.
सब देती
So like
थी.
it was so much fun, and now she's become a content creator. It is so much fun. Like we've seen a lot
The
of shifts.
transition, yeah.
They have seen me when
Yeah.
Evie was not in my life.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So-
So thank you guys. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for
And
having us.
us.
बहुत मजा आया.
बहुत मजा आया हमें भी. And hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Tell us.
Subscribe to Mansi's channel.
Mansi
We'll
Mau
pop-
and
Mau.
More Mau.
More Mau.
More
Mention in
Mau
description.
has lots of vlogs,
Yeah.
lots of fun. And अभी तो शादी के बाद के vlogs शुरू हो चुके हैं, so you'll see lots of candid conversations between the two. And साहिल का शुभतिथि का पेज आप इंस्टा पे जाके फॉलो कर सकते हो. If you have a wedding or if you have somebody's wedding in your family, definitely reach out to him. They are doing a fab job. So yeah, that's for them. If you like our video, do subscribe to our channel. Give
Yes.
this video a big thumbs up. In the comments, tell us who you think we should get next. And we will see you in our next video. Until then, bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
And in Mansi's language,
Stay positive and stay happy.